Welcome to Sammy's Feast with Grana Padano DOP. Today we're working with Brussels sprouts, and some people think they don't like Brussels sprouts because actually they don't know how to cook them. One of the tricks is not to cook them, and I'm going to be making a delicious salad with Brussels sprouts, a citrus and raisin dressing, and lots of Grana Padano DOP grated on top. I've made this salad so many times, I can't even count how many times, and every time I make it for someone, they absolutely love it, rave about it, and they want to know every little ingredient that's in there. So I've got about 1 kilo of Brussels sprouts here, which I've shaved, really nice and thin. Set that aside. And now we're going to make our dressing. Into our jar, we're going to pop about 1/2 cup of currants or raisins, whatever you've got. And to that, we're going to add in the juice of 1 lemon. And then we've got some Dijon mustard for a bit of flavour. A good pinch of salt. Lots of cracked pepper. And a good glug of olive oil. And now for the zest of 1 lemon and an orange. And the reason why I'm using a combination is because the orange has a bit more sweetness and the lemon is a bit more tangy and zesty, and I think they go really well together in this dressing. Pop all that zest into the jar with the dressing. And that's going to soak and let those little raisins plump up with all that delicious flavour. We're not going to waste the rest of the orange, of course. We're actually going to cut the pith off and use the segments in the salad, so they're beautiful bursts of orange flavour. So first thing you want to do is cut the top and the bottom off, and then we're going to follow the round of the orange to cut off the pith. And you don't want any pith left because it's really bitter. Don't take the pith, yeah? Don't take the pith. Now that the pith's been cut off, we're going to just squeeze that leftover juice from all the skins into this bowl. We're going to cut in between each membrane to loosen each orange segment. And you know, if someone segments orange for you, it's love because it is a bit of effort, but you get beautiful morsels of uninterrupted orange flavour. Now all of that leftover membrane, we're going to squeeze the juice out and into our jar of dressing. Pop the lid on and shake. Shake, shake, shake. And now it's time to build the salad. First, add your shaved Brussels sprouts to a large bowl, and then we're going to add some chopped parsley, some thinly sliced French onions, and now we're going to add the dressing to it, the whole jar, and finally some toasted almonds. Then massage that all really well with your hands. Make sure the dressing is coating every little piece of Brussels sprout. Gently toss in those segments of orange. Oh, smells amazing. That citrus just hits you. Make a really big, beautiful mountain of the salad on the plate. And now for the best part, the Grana Padano DOP. We're just going to grate that all over the top. And you want so much of it that you almost can't see the salad underneath. Yum. And there you have it. My Brussels sprout salad with citrus dressing and a snowstorm of Grana Padano DOP.